Okay, yancha and I don't for an Amy PM live. Ewo Fikesi man, my Hembo sports quite so. And I don't A2 and I'm on Cassia and I said in Sanson, able to me, Akaku PM, I don't know. Yellow Penny Quancha for Cassia Bakon, a legend for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Baba Bidin Komo. Now, San Komo way, every Kotoko fan and every Kotoko player, Ese Utimi Eshe, and every Premier League player, a Quanya Abefasua, Ubetimi. Usika kiti a wojeje no watumi ede aye bibi na aboa peye entina ho nkasa me foreign contract nkwa eba a bonus but a mine so a obey day obey besin there be obetena ho enipa as a footballer lifespan as Kotoko player na very short enche na o termination the tree enche na contract crown so ko enche na dogo Yakubu fufuro eba enti ne ya obokotoko no ene eno ahomegye bre se obeto aso aye bibi nti yebedi nkomo kakra ye ne owura kwesi Opoku nti Lord Zico, Lord of the Green Turf oshen bo obase at the age of 5 Kumase na obo coast by storm Lord Zico ena eye adwuma ebo adwumaden wa large mumu ni coast mu heroes na dribbling there na enye fedi agro very unstoppable na normal defenders ekọ na sia sorry woni Opoku nti bebo bia this ukọ ekọbọ mpae na utimi ni bo wi a na akoda asofo ase tete no na nya ketu akra o hyase e wa Fijase secondary school e na oto asukopie ni bo no mu e wo Takwa Gold Stars FC yes e no mbe wura no mu a enti o enroll e wo Takwa secondary school e bra afisco no wanwie nam se Gold Stars and as a Gold Stars FC e wo Takwa be fa no e de ekoye na otoaso a anya Western Region inter schools no de jajajajai eboko ho voter region na nya ketua baba yara de e came for calling no na ababe ne dia ne sa agudi a oye ye for Kotoko de e de wanim ense o ka kire na ono ampo e na the dem management when e call ye say omukwa kofa no in the 80s or Lord Zico e joining Kotoko no jajajajai ye wini Africa the second time 1983 said Tom Kruger beka no na or show winning goal of a John Bannerman man assist kama 83 na you vote to say African best player by African sports writers enya ketua na jointly osa any award from Khatib of Egypt and after so France Football Award Federation omo ebo na ba so Lord Zico and a name why history hudo bebre unprecedented ewo Ghana bobo mu a washe house of folk bebre na oba game bim 15 minutes pam na edidemu a enya ketua yes Samuel Opoku nti na edi de friend wo fi Akwasi Poku yes Akwasi Poku Lord of the Green Turf na ansa na obeba no yem players amobo Kotoko yi enyu momo sika anyu sika na sende mama wo momo so footballer wabra bo mo na nche na bawie ipra ho Ghana crowd ni insurance package bia upra ebebo awo there be that enti Lord Opoku nti so onem won komo for Kotoko players ena afen so heart to folk players nomne entire players na mo bobo basakane aduana nomne media ma muhia Kotoko anama kotwese kan aka mo nan ho no yes munyina muntie bi na ekwan ambesimi aye investment na bibia akoso den enkomo ekoba de tie nyina ene se yenua Dan Coleman ene yenua ma ewo that is Angel FM Kofi Jerimo edi nkomo ena afi Prince Anoche yes miamenua Aragotana ni nickname no Prince Anoche wo mo edi di nkomo kakra baransana owura ye friend so Opoku nti beba no yentie Prince Anoche nkomo ni bi
because the man no also na eno so de na ne you for de na ayi na wo mu interview na so but to say on ko yo mu asu ye die bi kakra oh ebi so yo mu die asu ye kra entino media tell me tell Ghana tell me what me what idea I prefer say me ta chen Ghana tell me tell but Ghana e bi kro me twin cha Ghana enja e de me be kro betra me kro
hwese ano betimi aka atro so hu place ni bi kro arebe ho na se mi hu gawu national team ne na ekoba eja tete yene ne na ekoba u place be play na se okura de se wa me dra bro chira na obi timi fro say ai Kofi wo de wani ati o ama abrochire nka wu ntem abrochire so wo wo ha de bia abrochire kura de wo wo ha sen ana say wo kuro mu de wo de o say jata temu ni aga mu ina afunfun but o mo han ko mu awu e bisa adwuma na e wa ha no master e chen football
abrochire adwuma na chen football
mitonya me say abrochire ha de sen football de say wo kobo ayi e fe de say anopa ko e wa na wa bi a wa ba abeda anwumle 2 hours wa ba abeda obenya na for fresh aha me no ka say 2 o'clock anwumle 2 o'clock obi sole akwa adwuma 3 o'clock wo ne wo yira da Ghana na obi sole akwa.
Yes, Dan Coma and afin so cratchy a friend say Prince Anoche Coma ebo Hartford and a Prince Anoche so ebo Asante Kotoko but you say yitimi ebun kompon kwetri sani ebeye na enam saye so na your current crop of players are ebo Asante Kotoko and for that matter other leagues players ni nyina no ewom se sika ni sa yes enya ade sika na bekosro say obi asika nso na sasi so but ese bisa wo ma aye bi pen father anasa me of our that screen you see Lord Zico, Lord of the Green Turf. Ne ho nsem ene di nkan edi tu dwa no na Kotoko nso de edanabam wasom Kotoko in every capacity a ewie nkunimdie so na yebisa ede na yenuanum kuman a ahye ball base Kotoko yi ebi a oje 5,000 ebi oje 7,000 onyo na se foreign contract maya obetimi aye little bit investment na nisika no owie ball ba enkonkwo ehwebuada na enkoye yibi mame any ade Lord yemakwaba eba GH live from New York City.
Yeah
Na me pacha pombo kwa dia
mo ho ye de
nyame adom na nso
nyame adom me so me ho ye pa
ye de nyame ase
me pass akwanya isu na ma che watiefo nyina mo America all over the world.
Thank you so
much.
Thank you so much.
Nyame ka obia
Ami ye da se pa Lord so wake up video baby o
I wake up no oh say me baby
absolutely nice
because my bush for be America or say me baby sra
nice one Lord na dey yen said the nin common konchenchen bebre bia sa we simasini ye pafutuo Kotoko players yi omo esa ahwe yen channel yi ATN podcast dear na current players omunyo kakra omo je ombetim dia e bibia beboa wo mo na omu wie ball bo a na say abruptly BBC a enkonkwe hwebuada
yo me da se bebre me futuo kakra me de my players ni say football different from any other job bi especially sports boxing we adwuma very clear say one day we go pension minimum America ABI 60 years and above 60
yes
Europe baby is 60 baby is 65 Switzerland I will say 65 now nipa na we adwuma oko pension no because of social security compulsory in America no and now all over Europe no so ujai adwuma ya na udi oko pensioner monthly yebetu awka football entisa football in Europe there and now America ebia sanity in Europe there mean sanity
yes
but in Africa a biggest problem generation after generation Africa didn't call hono
yes
but met me aka Ghana there because Ghana na me free now yankopon football you can football as or any other sports that football also who say a time frame say what me about ball I check 25 years now first 5 years crowd between a preparation zone from course be about first division second division and now about third division time about limelight and also about premier bino maybe 5 years so next 20 years no also to me a bobo save money now invest this cano for the next maybe 60 years will be 80 years so 60 years now akawa life mono because me son me kaza me papa catch them say mission ball boy pa na emre ninka so the obey the ball money at the back out. But now we are talking about investment now. So bobo now just can now also to me a investment now because of Ghana plus any education bia and as information bia about investments, you know, they tend to squander the money. Unfortunately, because na me Kotoko CEO no me na guy bi by say prayer bi so imagine the sign on fee o me ho why wakoto phone o nipa no ho and idea a cool place whereby you are winning salary ba one way I'll bet me a calculation say oh me bo match we me share me scarcity so one way tama o chicken and hatch and now we count it. So it's kind of a no crown, no wedding kind of then time is also running out on you. So when you're a okay, be change whilst you are playing football. Now we job but now to me so I also a because a honor is a clear system no ebemo after pension you ubenyeska. But hano they also players in and say, wow, sir, when your opportunity to play with Kotoko, ebia, baby, I will feel na your amount 500 a month. Meaning, say, teams in be to us.
Yes.
Then over Kotoko amount 5,000. Say, obi advice so, and also obi no ending koma, and churches and yame making ya. Scano Kuran, one we are 5,000 no, and so. Managing here no also manager so who say ubi simple audi takubeto anyasa obe at the time I was jive football no now be a beggar obe riska why because one manage scanner about in so many kitu akura no you need to save very 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 important me am no say baby I see my first house na me Kotoko and I me tour plot no to double plot. And because me nya panyi bi mani to me for, and I'm a fire, into a boa me pa. So a foot to a cram the Bama players and he said, look, no matter what, yeah, efforts, say, best start I put money somewhere. Say, o sound fee, o Ghana, ye tia bibi sound fee, say, sound fee near the Bema. Say, monthly, ubet me a buano, ubet me a quacoto shells, shares be our bank. Ana baby no way you were near free so tama ube jabo but ube who say I'm not sure when you scabby and we no roll over someone in one touch and yes idea very 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 difficult after what ball because ubi any honor in Ghana Kurano maybe in the world, you know, Messi, Ronaldo, Netimi 40 years still or ball or Jiska. In Ghana here, no, plan why you 35 years or so, or you're out. So, one to me and say whisker. One top row to Quran to home. One yefi. One day, say Prampo injury crab bemua. Now, if football career end there. Then okay. One yefitani, one suya jume bia a ball no. So if so, dear, also born no itimi. And the plan no say some scare bano also utimi save and ultimate invest this kind so that the returns will take care of you after your football career. What we are there, Papa na say emre ye ninka so. Soon pe honambe emre. In football, that's why even this generation they should thank God. Say God has raised football to a sense that the whole world football is Oscar.
Yeah.
But you need to sacrifice. You need to be committed. You need to be disciplined to be able to get that kind of money now. Because emre is amount.
Yes.
Emre ni hosa. And at the end of your football career, in Africa here, who need be social security you try to engage with the government, say generation ABA government and GF best starting. Now social security.
Okay.
Play bia to say a government edin isika ama clubs no. Government has power to say ABA play bia no or some mutimitu and say. You better social security say so that after their football career no omonya beggars in the system. Like any other a government worker bia no. So that almost we born no ombenya monthly salary from their work now omoye to hono. And yes idea individual you need to save, you need to invest kakra urban. Okay. Whilst you are playing football, who a footballer as it is now, only ordinary woman being. Sana yana mekano.
Okay.
I stand to be corrected. You don't dance to the music I will be a dancing to.
Yeah.
Who a footballer? Because we are extraordinary woman being. Until 2 years kabehwe go for pay money to come and see you. And you will be no namo and also or general ye be a bit years kabehwe no. And we are exceptional. No? And your life is who live. Don't live according to any other person. Be on mobile. Also, to me, a discipline. The time I was 20 years, also stay focused, also your discipline. Now, o career no because we are there a better end.
Yes.
At the age of 35, we job ball, but now say obedi 60 years account life from one, and 40 years account life from one. A day na ebe hwe. Meanwhile no, ebinum kura no, obehu say omo nware ntem, and tama ombe ware ombe wo ba no mu jai football no bo. Afi sika be na odi be hwe wo ba. But say ultimately invest here, not say unya returns from somewhere. I think say and bit me a sustain you. And yes, idea. Who be. And omo ball now, no. Omo advantage whereby music no mood. But money is a spirit, a control in people's life.
Absolutely.
Obetimi I can say, minyaska me scan by. They also obey and important. Two bones are different thing all together. Unless purpose in your heart. Say, may you see, the scan by so or say, who follow the opposite way. Yes. Therefore, took a crammet media moment.
Lord, Nyame and Koso and Yorkes non church or washim. We dear, we were here. Abrochil card and Crawford, Triescan and Crawford, more modest education. How their mice, my best, Dunkono, a corner do you see a very loud aboa. May you see any animal ever pick it now at the same woman. Et me akoso, not be a repair. I mean, my Kotoko player, one player, or no dear, was some Momo Jumani Biasia, or vantage point. I would want me and son. Me knew Kumasana Baku in the chrome. na ono create do ba bi o say twa no bo ne yonko players e Kotoko ni bi bosia o skapa ngba ono very what the din why is investment na eboa no wasa wura farm mu a ukọ ne krase a nyase kuma afu a wadọ ene ade no onam Kotoko team ni mu anhwa wonfa mu no enti megidi se se de wakan ye de no pii so na amanfo amuleti na aboa wo mu ye pa
yo
na Lord we dey da se ye be da se na se si a ukọ ye be ja kwan na stadium se nipa ma o yenye den ni nipa ba wada roma.
And also idea be another topic. So more time kakra okay.
Your time kakra.
Because of they said they will introduce me no. My ball, my captain Kotoko, my captain national team, my baba Kotoko see you now. Kotoko. So be out now as a bones overcast Kotoko ni has crowd, movie beer pepe. We know we crochet trainer, no we saw crochet trainer. We lose now, we lose, we both now we are both and you don't understand. But the me who say and you might change and Mred Daniel also Daniel Hobby.
Yes.
How are you running football are changing into also Kotoko so HSSM and it's saying Kotoko like Liverpool, like America, criminal team are very strong.
You bet me I say Messi in Inter Miami.
Like a Oko Spain, like Barca, like Real Madrid, you know. Supporters and they're the greatest sponsors. Almost supporters, and they're the greatest sponsors. And your sponsorship now about you know. Now, Opoku crowd are easy to get sponsorship because sponsors no mobile number no more dey be sponsorship you know. Fun. So history proves 80s and even 70s eben nyina to 80s ayen so yebe mu nyina no. Omo run Kotoko no. Omo de gate process na run Kotoko na sponsorship piano. See, Tima Opoku crowd, no. I know now, I also say Kotoko, how to pull the crowd, how to bring the people to the stadium is by getting quality players. Almost share 4 matches, 5 matches, to also be about one draw. And yes, idea, it will be very, very difficult. So Kotoko need to invest money to bring quality players. Now, here Kotoko, Samba, captain, Noah. That's the kind of player I'll say it mean you obey 4-5 with team no more. Kotoko will pull crowd. No? So Kotoko person will pull crowd. And yes, so if in a month, 2 matches or commercial sports stadium, a man, I say, Kotoko greatest sponsors, the team supporters, and yet the name the So if Kotoko can change and decide, say, okay, we will buy quality players. Normally, you say you can follow free outside. Now more local national team and this Kotoko. Okay. Because Kotoko standard is they are too where they are ultimate conform. So ultimate media, they men conform. Exactly. And you know, se Kobase, Oshwe. Clubs in India, say no. Even though Kotoko the highest pay club in the system, and a player bia or boy any other team against Kotoko bia as a player no, or person catch the eye of Kotoko. So Kotoko match bia very difficult. Whether even Yakobo FA Cup with first division or second division, very difficult for Kotoko because that player no. Without anything has been motivated by himself. Say, Opeso Kotoko na Kotoko befana. Me ebi to me yes before I meba Kotoko no. That is what happened to me. Meba Kotoko musimisa. Na mkopi itakwa. And down up, I'm sorry, I'm missing me propose. One day, me no Kotoko she am show mu. And Kumasi Sports Stadium. That time I'm 17 years, and I saw Kotoko.
Good.
At Kumasi Sports Stadium. And Opoku FA may so rest in peace. Or but take 5 minutes to the end of the match. And I could have forced a family. So play a beer against Kotoko. No, it's like finals. So, sir, one top quality players. No one train you to a level be. Said the name you training papa with all our qualities. No, we did train a lot. Almost share your training during the 80s in testify. So Kotoko. Then this is plan immediate course, immediate plan is a Kotoko should buy quality players.
Okay.
More local national team to pull the crowd. That is immediate.
Yes.
Then Kotoko must have under 20. I build the woman in the near future because Osha Kotoko trend now for about 20 something years. It may among 10 players, 11 players, 20 players. Then coach call inconsistency. And but football's a cohesion.
Okay.
Remember example they say during your time, no, you're by 80s, 1980, you're the league, no, near 16 players. You're the league, no. So I'm not professional ni papa. You're the league near Pulu crowd. So more fair no was able to maintain the players. No? Okay. You're the league near ball 81 Africa. You're far. By 81, you're Saji league. Near boy 82 Africa. And you call finance. Then, so Yantimi but lucky for us, 82 years Saji league.
Okay.
So we are from 80s near the league not to us, near Africa, near mature, near who
consistency.
Into 83, no, even players need be coy. But yeah, your boy to train most of us near 1980. So we know ourselves very well. But this time, coach be any honor, obey me, I am magic. Assemble players within 1, 2, 3 months. Now, able ball, no cohesion neighbor, a very, very, very difficult. They don't understand themselves. Yeah, football a different business game, a venture all together. So one running football to say how football here. Now by runners to say the business when you no my fan no my cover for in work is I will say niminya quality player no be boy ka but under 20 no you start to say you build how to factor into the first team to say years back no it may fa be 7 players from under 20 near do my first team. So Uboka first one no na say etimi gina na pulu crowd no a second year on top players bia pass abium third year on top players bibri ebi e kono kra no na under 20 no so omoba aba bishim. So a time will come no that under 20 no will feed the main team no so that a kobasa main team no say bia yeah, Basa will see a top player be cry be about 1 or 2 pair. I hear positions be. But yes, idea. Son, a best sofa. Because a coy player Bako, they say captain, I think they almost struggle to maintain him. They need money. Scout demand and so. But what can Kotoko do now? If Scout on more, we need to maintain the captain. And this is Jano Manoko. But I am afraid. A biane say better more. Obian himself only could attack.
Yes.
But circumstances, now see pushing. And obey a class and innocent Kijano Manoko. But money factor. Scanso in a running football. Yeah, the nam ne yinam. So media and Kamadri and Ketuani say Kotoko need to invest more money. Because you need to invest more money to bring quality players. So we draw the supporters because we say Kotoko supporters. You start to see a share. We increase gate fees, no, they will come. And I love that about Kotoko supporters. They are loyal to their club. But say, Obeba, na say, Obetnaho, na say, or they are reho kufia. Next time, it be very difficult. First, no, my mentor or the first, no, Uja, na kumasin biesa.
Yeah.
Na working distance to the stadium.
No correct.
Now, if you know Kotra broche, they say the more broche. Now, if you know, so I free. Even so, the stand now, if you say wakwa Kotra, maybe no one. Yeah, meduma obefa car ene diaba. Oba wasabi cha gate fee. Then okwa or the areho kofi. And then okwa kanu fee. Because Kotoko match kura mi hwebi na danfo ne de oh menko wa menko because ombegu anima say this is how message or the beko and your radio stations will talk because matese obi ye commentary kura we ball or boy there me yire kura betimi abon e de ball no boy we ni atwa ska behwe ni nyina is killing the soccer. So Kotoko pese or maintain the position as ruling Ghana football there, they need to invest. And they should invest also in quality players.
Okay.
And yes, idea. Must have been.
No correct. Lord, you better say, and yes, I will bring your son to be brave. If I tell you, I mean, shout for your precious time and there, or the amount in a team for. Yeah,
no. Most time, talking about Kotoko and football there. It's everything. So if Semeka na Kotoko be tia supremum dia juma, I think say very well. I don't go on the
okay. Lord, you better say, Nyami Shrao, pa, you be doing common receive, Nyami Shrao.
Amen. I said that's it, Nyami dia.
Amen.
Mama, bye.
Lord Opoku, the Lord of the Green Turf, and I know Ekodim Komono, na Bibia team, no, yes, na fidi any boni player for fraud no. It's your best outcome so na you do episode we any besi, but Kotoko play omumu no kra wo mu a onam mo oboni bo ni bi o ma no abo ma no tiachiri. Yes, investment a boy na ye me money din because oziki to mko kana bontin o momo vendors na miensa mienu okumase na ba ko ni village ma menka ne sa na sika wanya free mo no enya gro na you see farming cabbage food ono on toss sneakers baby mobile life iPhone ekuta no em say SX Max ni bi bin ko chere no mahu SS Max onye 16 Pro Max ne 17 David you SS Max no kwa so nim de be chere na am say because no ni azi me economics na mebo enti ebi ana me de foreign ni bi am fa me enti me wie sem koye me kua enti player na ye investment o ska oboni nuanom bi kura abosia ti me hye mo players amobɔ Kotoko kakra wo gye no se de Lord Opoku nti aka no tietia bi na brochire na nya bete danko mampo ono Kofi Gari o gina kire a wo se yama no nso agari ade ma na o masha Kotoko strikers no na o tempenten kwa wo se abrochire ti na wo se masa snow na power ichenkruma ono mpokura na etiantia mo UK no Prince Anochi Aragotana also on insurance adaroma waye na okoyi ananse opra yimpo na dwuma wan konso no nya kakra de podwe abroche nya betemfo ani ntose se me bowi a me ba se me aminu able na no buy Maryland mpatam enya bete osafo e do okoya ne nam kubaze di onam Ghana no nti enya bete abusia emfasika ni nyina anta cheke enni emfasika ni nyina sande baby girls and fani nyina nkotena keys and as a nearby pub be menka say ntwa bi na emu ya ate so current Kotoko player has a player entire local black star local league no me sure my sika say mu hia na kakra wo je no ebi mfiri ba bia meka ho tietia hyase wo de hye momo ase mo bi hyase ma uti mboaboa no kra peveti bi mo na fatwi enya yizo but ebefa Lord Opoku, the Lord of the Green Turf, and or dear future say investment of future are my current players, mostly Kotoko players. And once I share Panya, you better you bet me across stadium. I know their management is a musi. Was a Kotoko for secret in your back, or shut was a tray umbeba. Into your shabak, you go so can Yansha Lions, Yansha has, not the Akan Emu and Faso, Nabi Bianco. So no change, big investment, under 20 name, they enter quality good players. In Ras senior side in him. Yadu see nearby, your side full from bro. Juma we a jabba. Me papa me offer my dear, I'm a boss, a jabba, and a senior producer for this great show. And the Bronte chairman, a jabba. Alright, Charles, yeah, my second name, Debbie Arimio. Alright, Charles, a jabba. Yes, Kotoko Operations Group, United States of America. Or the 80 training on also Boama Bibia Koso. More just thank you for watching.
Sports time.
Locally accepted, internationally approved.
Studio present inside. News of Ghana. Sports, more breaking news. More breaking news.
Locally accepted, internationally approved.
Subscribe, share with others.